Hello children, how are you all? Hope you're all fine staying at home and taking good care of your health. Children, are you following the instructions given by your parents and teachers? Very good. Are you doing home tasks given by your teachers every day? Good. Welcome back to the class of mathematics. Do you remember our chapter name? Yes, our chapter name is What Do Shapes Have in Them? Before going into the topic, let's have a recall of previous class. Children, what you have learned in previous class? Yes, you learned about number of edges, faces and corners the 3D shapes have. The 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. A cube has 6 faces. All the faces in a cube are equal squares. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. The next shape is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. All the faces in a cuboid are rectangle. In a cuboid, the opposite faces are equal. It has 12 edges and 8 corners. The next shape is cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. It has 2 edges and 0 corners. The next shape is cone. A cone has 2 faces. It has 1 edge and 0 corners. The tip of the cone is not a corner since it is not the meeting point of the edges. It is called the apex of the cone. And the last shape is sphere. A sphere has 0 edges and 0 corners. Okay children? Children, open your studio. If there is no studio with you, pause the video for a while and open studio page number 13. Things I have learned. Now you have to complete the mind map. Children, till now what you learned? Yes, you learned about shapes. In shapes you learned about flat shapes and solid shapes. What are the flat shapes? Flat shapes are also known as two-dimensional shapes. The 2D shapes are square, rectangle, triangle and circle. The shapes have 2 dimensions called length and width. In 2D shapes you learnt about adjacent and opposite corners. And also you learnt about a diagonal. What is a diagonal children? The line joining the 2 opposite corners is called a diagonal. To which shapes we can draw diagonals? Only the shapes that have opposite corners we can draw a diagonals. Here the square and rectangle has opposite corners. So we can draw diagonals for square and rectangle. Can we draw diagonals for triangle and circle? No, we cannot draw diagonals for triangle and circle because a triangle has no opposite corners and a circle does not have sides and corners. So we cannot draw a diagonals for triangle and circle. Now you have to complete the mind map. The opposite corners joined by a dash. What you have to write there? Yes, you have to write diagonal. Diagonal spelling right children? D-I-A-G-O-N-A-L. Diagonal. And the second box. The point where 2 sides meet is called a, see here, this is a rectangle. This is one side and this is another side. These 2 sides are meeting here. What we call this point? The meeting point. What is that? Yes, it is a corner. So write the spelling corner. C-O-R-N-E-R. Corner. The next one is solid shapes. Solid shapes are also called as 3D shapes. It has 3 dimensions called length, width and height. The 3D shapes are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Cube. A cube has 6 flat surfaces. All the faces in a cube are equal squares. There are no curved surfaces. In a cube, the cube can slide. The examples of cube are ice cube, dice and a letter cube. The next shape is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 flat surfaces. There are no curved surfaces in a cuboid. All the faces in a cuboid are rectangles. The opposite faces are equal. The cuboid can slide. The examples of cuboid are matchbox and duster. The next shape is cylinder. A cylinder has two flat surfaces and one curved surface. The cylinder can roll and it can slide. It can do both. The examples of cylinder are color bottle, lunch box and Coke tin. The next shape is cone. A cone has one flat surface and one curved surface. The cone can roll and it can slide. It can do both. The examples of cone are funnel and birthday cap. The next shape is sphere. The sphere has no flat surfaces. It can only roll because the sphere has only curved surface. The examples of sphere are ball, orange and a globe. Okay children? Children, you have to fill in the blanks. The covering of the shape is called dash. What we call? Yes, it is a surface. Write the spelling S-U-R-F-A-C-E, surface. The covering of the shape is called surface. The next, the point where two or more edges meet is called dash. The point where two or more edges meet is called a corner. Write the spelling C-O-R-N-E-R, corner. The next box is the point where two surfaces meet is called an edge. E-D-G-E, edge. The point where two surfaces meet is called an edge. Okay children, second question. Draw diagonals for the following shapes. Write the number of diagonals for each shape. What is the first shape here? Yes, it is a square. How many diagonals are there in a square, children? Yes, a square has two diagonals. Draw two diagonals in a square and write number 2 below the shape. The next shape is rectangle. How many diagonals are there in a rectangle? Also a rectangle has two diagonals. Draw two diagonals in a rectangle and write 2 below the rectangle. The next shape is triangle. How many diagonals are there in a triangle? There are no diagonals in a triangle. Can we draw diagonals for a triangle, children? No, we cannot draw a diagonals for triangle because there are no opposite corners in a triangle. So, write 0 below the triangle. The next shape is circle. Children, can we draw diagonals for the circle? No, we cannot draw diagonals for the circle because there are no sides and corners in a circle. So, write 0 below the circle. Okay, children, hope you completed the mind map. Let me explain today's home task. Children, draw 3D shapes in your MHW and write whether the shape can slide, can roll and it can do both. Okay children, hope you all understand the home task. We will meet in next class. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a good day.